Tanks, jets, and drones usually steal the spotlight, but on the modern battlefield there is an unsung hero, the infantry fighting vehicle. Fast, amphibious, and built to survive anything, even a nuclear fallout. Unlike a basic APC, an IFV does not just drop off troops, it stays in the fight with massive fire support. You are watching Why Is That? Grab yourself a tea or coffee, get comfortable, and enjoy the show. Let's dive in.
Why is that?
First, the German Puma. This is not just a vehicle, it is a fortress. In its maximum protection kit, the Puma's armor actually outweighs a Soviet T-72 tank. Its front can shrug off 125mm tank shells, and its belly can handle a 10-kilogram TNT blast. While others are still on the drawing board, the Puma is already in mass production, serving as the backbone of the Bundeswehr. Next, the Swiss Piranha 5. It is technically an APC, but do not let the wheels fool you. With its modular composite armor, it is essentially an IFV on tires. It offers 360-degree protection against 30mm armor-piercing rounds and features a double V-hull to keep the crew safe from massive IEDs. The Singaporean Hunter. Launched in 2019, the Hunter is a digital-age beast. It is packed with Western tech, featuring a remote-controlled turret with a 30mm Bushmaster cannon. We do not know everything about its classified armor, but at 25 tons, it is clearly built to take a hit and keep moving. The Russian BMP-3. This one started as a tank design, which makes it unique and a bit cramped. Since the engine is in the back for better balance, the troop compartment is tight. However, its firepower is legendary, a massive 100mm gun paired with a 30mm autocannon. It hits harder than almost anything in its class. The Chinese ZBD-08 is an evolution of that concept. The Chinese moved the engine to the front, creating a much better space for the troops. It is more efficient and uses a modern fire control system, though it trades off some of the original's legendary amphibious stability. The American M2A4 Bradley, a legend evolved. The latest variant brings next-gen reactive armor to the table. It is designed to survive 30mm rounds and is currently being fitted with active protection systems to intercept incoming missiles. Armed with a 25mm cannon and TOW-2 missiles, it remains a deadly hunter. The Swedish CV-90, the master of stealth. It is not just about the 40mm cannon, which can shred old tanks like the T-55. It's about staying invisible. The CV-90 uses specialized thermal filters to hide its heat signature from enemy cameras. If they cannot see you, they cannot hit you. Finally, the South Korean K-21. High-tech and cost-effective. It's half the price of a Bradley, but boasts tank-level electronics and a composite secret recipe armor. And the most impressive part? It uses automated inflatable pontoons to cross rivers at the push of a button. From raw armor to digital stealth, these are the machines redefining the front line. But what do you think? Which one of these steel beasts would you want covering your back? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this deep dive, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Why Is That? Your support is what keeps this channel growing and allows us to bring you more high-quality military content. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next one.